How to turn your wall into realistic floor in Adobe Photoshop. First, go to the layer panel. Unlock the layer by clicking on the lock icon. Go to the toolbar. Click on the crop tool. Increase the canvas size. Right click on the layer. Click on the duplicate layer. Now bring the top layer down. Hold down the Ctrl plus Shift key on the keyboard and drag one side. Now drag the other side. Click on the image menu. Go to adjustment. Click on labels. Increase the brightness as need. Click on the OK button. Click on the image menu. Go to adjustment. Click on hue saturation. Increase the hue color slightly. Click on the OK button. Click on the layer menu. Go to layer style. Click on the blending option. Mark checkbox of drop shadow. Thank you all for watching the video.